Hi, my name is Mithun. Today I'm going to present before you one of the project that I have run recently. The project name is eeziBuy. It's a login, sign up and admin panel based project. So let me first go directly into the project. I've done the project using VS Code. This is my project and I've started my server in port 3000. So this is how the login page look like. I have done the validation part. So if I type just a word in the email address, it will ask me to type in the email format. So if I type something like and I have typed a wrong password, then it will ask me tell me that email or password is incorrect. So either the email or the password may be incorrect in that case. So first let me check my database. This project is connected to my database, so let me check which are the users present in that. So this database I have named it as user underscore data. So let me first check the collection, what are the documents inside this. So these are the documents that is already present in the database. So let me first select one, george@gmail.com. So I'll use password one. Okay. Now this is the correct password combination. So when I log in, it comes with the welcome greeting of the user's name, George Washington. I've given that name, so you can check in the database. Yes, it is given the name. So next, let me check Abraham Lincoln, ab@gmail.com. So I'll first log out the page, ab@gmail.com, password same. So this is the login page. The specialty of login page is that it is maintaining a cookie and a session. So if I take inspect and check out for cookies, as you can see in the application, we can see this is the cookie I have placed. So this will be there till even if I reload the page, it won't ask for me to log in again. So even if I take it in a new tab, since there is cookie present here, it until the cookie is there, it won't ask me to log in again. So once if I press logout button, then the cookie is destroyed, and then the user is completely logged out of the page. So if we reload this page, it will ask me to log in again. So that is the case here. And if you are a new user to the site, there is an option for sign up. If you press sign up button here, it will take me to sign up page, and we'll have to fill up all the details. So let me first try to fill up one detail. If I type one letter number, it will ask me that please enter alphabetic characters only. So since it's a name, it only allows alphabetic characters. So let me enter, and if I enter one existing email ID, like let me check what is the existing email ID. There is one mithun@gmail.com. So if I use this email ID and try to give some phone number and password, then it won't log in. It will show email ID or number already exists. And if I try another way, like if I am doing a different email ID and I'm typing a phone number which is already present, so 9999512, let me check that one. 9999512, it is already present in the database. Even if I type and try to submit, it will ask me email or phone number is already existing. So I'm trying to give a different email, different name, and a different email address, and a contact number which is not present in the database. And I'm typing a password. Here I am typing 1, here I am typing 1 2. So I'm typing different passwords and trying to sign up. Then it will show password mismatch. So only if we enter details that is not present in the database and correct in the correct format, then only it will take into database as a new account. So now I have given same password and trying to sign up. Now this value have reached database and account created successfully. Please log in to continue. Let me check the database. This is the database. So let me check if the new user have come. Okay, you can see that the new user Hari have come up in the database. So instead of using command prompt, we can use mongoDB compass. So this is my database. So let me just refresh it. So you see Hari have come up in this. So so this is the login page. So in the next step, I'll be taking you to my admin panel. Now let me share you the details of my admin panel. So to access the admin page, we need to give /admin. So it will move to admin page. To understand this is admin page, I have given in the information admin panel login and admin panel login here. So we can only use admin username and email and password to log into admin page. So from the database we can collect the details of admin. So you can see here admin, the email is admin@gmail.com and password is 1. I have given that. So let me give. Okay, now the admin panel have been logged in. So the username is Vladimir Putin, and in that page I have given one option to see the user database, entire database, and I have given one search option to search with the keyword first letter or any prefix of the word of the name. Then in the user management section I have created a form to create a new user, and there is an option to make the user admin or not, and there is one option to delete the user, existing user. You can use either your email address or a phone number to delete the user, and there is an option to edit the user. If you provide the email ID, you can edit the full name, phone number, and you can change the admin status to true or false. So first let me show you the database, user database. This is the entire user database. So in this database you can see I have provided the admin status of each users. So in this list whichever the green one shown is admin in the database. So there are 2 admins here, and if you want to find someone in the database, so let me search for users with starting letter V. So if I press search button, I can see 2 users have appeared with starting letter V. Or if I search another user whose name start with prefix SAN. So if I search it, I'll get the detail as Sandeep. So this basically what it does is it uses a prefix to search for the name that is present in this database. So if I press this close button, it will close and it will come back to the page. And in this page I said we can create a new user. So I'm trying to create a user which is not present in this database. So I'm trying to create a new admin with the name admin. and a different email ID, because if we give the same email ID it will reject. So if we give a different user number, user details, like, and I am making this user as admin. So no new user is created successfully, and if we check the database now, we can see the new user. If we check the database in real, we can see new user have appeared. Okay. So if we want to delete this user which is recently created, so we can delete a user with either phone number or email ID. First I am giving the email ID mw@gmail.com. So this marshmallow user will be deleted. I press delete button, user deleted successfully. So I'll just check whether the user is there. So it is not present now. Next, let me try to delete with phone number. So I'll provide one phone number. So if I'm trying to delete this, let me copy this phone number and put it here. And I'm trying to delete this Hari, user Hari. So if I press delete button, user is deleted successfully. So if I check the user, it is not present there. Next is edit user feature. So if you want to edit the phone number of one person, so let me take Ranjit for an example. If you want to edit the details of Ranjit, so I'll first copy the username, email address. So let me copy the email address and paste it here. And if I want to change the name, I can change the name or give the same name itself. So I want to change the phone number and make him admin. So what I am doing, I am changing the phone number to 999999. Then I am changing the person into admin. So when I press edit button, edit user, the user data modified successfully. So if I check it again, you can see Ranjit, the phone number have changed and the user have become admin. So if I check back in mongoDB database, I can see the same. See, Ranjit have come with a new phone number and his admin status have changed to true. So these are the changes that I've made. And there is one more thing. If you even if you press reload or back button, this won't be logged out. So and if you log out the admin user or any user, if we log out it, then if you press back button, it won't go back to the home page. So that is because of maintaining session and cookies properly. So this is my project. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you next time.